In this video, I'm going to give you my review of Tello. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Tech That Doesn't Bite. So back in 2021, I reviewed Tello, and recently I switched over to Tello as my primary carrier. So what's it been like to use Tello in 2022? Well, here's my review. So Tello is a MVNO that uses the T-Mobile network. They offer a variety of plans that you can choose from, and you can customize it yourself. So for example, you could have a 500 megabyte data plan with unlimited minutes and free text. You could have 1 gigabyte of data and unlimited minutes and free text. You can even have something with no data and just pure minutes. So it's very customizable. And all their plans are monthly based. So you just pay the same amount on a monthly basis, and you don't have to pay 3 months in advance or 6 months in advance or a year in advance. The plans include free unlimited texting, free tethering, Wi-Fi calling, and free calls to 60 plus countries. So this is a pretty good feature to have if you are looking to call someone in a different country. They also have 5G support, but at the moment it's only available on Android phones. And we'll talk more about that later on in this video. For my testing, I'm using an iPhone 12 mini with a physical SIM. So right after the announcement of the iPhone 14, Tello also announced that they will be supporting eSIM as well. And within a couple weeks, they started supporting eSIM. So now you can activate your service on an eSIM. I'm also doing the testing around the Southern California area, more specifically the Los Angeles County area. So here are my network speed tests. Now I'm only able to test on LTE since I'm on the iPhone. And during the evening time, I was getting somewhere between 7 megabits per second down to 20 megabits per second for download speeds, and somewhere between 1 and 2 megabits per second for upload speeds. And during the afternoon, I was out and about and at a different location, and I was getting somewhere around the 40 megabits per second for download and somewhere around the 3.92 megabits per second for my upload speeds. I also tested out the call quality with my buddy, and here are the results. Hey.
How's it going?
Good, how are you? Alright, so I'm just recording. So test A, how do I sound?
You sound good. Yeah, you sound like you're on the phone.
Perfect. Any echoing or any issues?
A little echo right when I answered, but other than that, it went away.
Sweet, perfect. I also tested out sending SMS and MMS messaging as well, and it all appeared to work fine. He was able to get the MMS picture and I was able to receive his, and we were able to text back and forth. I also tested out the hotspot tethering feature, and here I am having my MacBook Pro tethered to my iPhone 12 mini, and here are the speed test results. My question for everyone is, what are your thoughts on Tello? Are you a current customer? Leave your comments below and tell us your experience. And if you like this video, please make sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell notification so you get notified of new videos. And if you would like to support the channel, we are available on Patreon and Ko-Fi. So let's get back to this video. So here are the things that I do like about Tello. I really like what kind of plans they offer, and it's very customizable as well. You can even go as low as $5 per month, and you can always change it on a monthly basis. So it's very easy to change it as well. I also like the fact that you can roll over your minutes and data when you manually renew your plan. So basically any remaining minutes and data will only roll over if you manually renew your plan before auto renew kicks in. You'll lose your rollover minutes and data if you renew your plan automatically. So if you want to roll over your data and minutes, it's best to manually renew your plan maybe a day before auto renew kicks in. So here is an example of my plan. When I first started using Tello, I was on a 5 gigabyte plan, and when it was time to renew, I manually renew by switching to a 500 megabyte plan with unlimited minutes and text, and that 5 gigabyte rolled over. And so far, I've been able to build it up to 6 gigabytes of data. I also like the fact that Tello allows you to view the history of your outgoing and incoming phone calls, as well as your incoming text as well. They also have an app that you can use to manage your account. And one of the cool things about the app is that there is a built-in dialer that you can use. This is perfect if you are traveling overseas because you have those free international phone calls that are included in your Tello plan. So if you're on a Wi-Fi connection, you can use the built-in dialer in this app to call one of those countries. I didn't really have any issues with customer service. Before I ported over my number, I actually had a question about one of their features, and I emailed them, and within 24 hours they responded pretty quickly. And also the porting process was fairly quick as well. I think it only took me about an hour for my number to be ported over from Red Pocket to Tello. I also like the fact that they have a referral program. So if you refer a friend and they sign up for a plan, you get 10 Tello dollars and they get 10 Tello dollars as well. And you can use those Tello dollars to pay for your plan. Now here are some of the things that I don't like about Tello. The unlimited data plan has a limitation of a 25 gigabyte cap, and after that, it's going to slow down to 2G speeds. Buying a phone from Tello is pretty limited because they don't have a lot of those new flagship phones. A lot of them are basically either used or certified refurbished. They also don't offer any type of roaming capabilities. That includes domestic or international roaming. They also don't support 5G if you're using an iPhone. Now, this isn't just a problem for Tello, but also other T-Mobile MVNO. So it's a carrier bundle issue. And basically, from what I read, is that these smaller MVNO companies, they have to pay a big sum of money to Apple to get a carrier bundle that will allow them to use 5G. I'll leave links in the description that I found on Reddit about this issue and also this article from Best MVNO. Overall, my experience with Tello in 2022 is much better than it was in 2021. And I really like the fact that their plans are affordable and they're also customizable as well. Now, if you do want to try out Tello, you can use my affiliate link in the description, and I'll also leave my referral code as well. If you want to check out some of our other MVNO reviews such as US Mobile or even Mint Mobile, I'll leave the links in the description. And I'll see you next time.